Welcome to Vidyapeetham. This is Nitya. Today we are going to discuss about MCQs on nervous system part 2. If you like this video means please like, share and subscribe to Vidyapeetham. And if you have any suggestions, please mention in the comment box. So let us start today's video. The first question, which part of the central nervous system controls reflex actions? Option 1 spinal cord, option 2 cerebellum, option 3 medulla oblongata, option 4 kidney. The reflex actions controlled by spinal cord. So the correct answer is option 1 spinal cord. Second question, spinal cord is protected by option 1 aorta, second option sternum, third option trachea, fourth option vertebral column. The correct answer is spinal cord is protected by vertebral column. Option 4 is the correct answer. Which among the following is the part of skull that encloses the brain? First option frontal, second option mandible, third option cranium, fourth option parietal. So the brain encloses the box-like structure that is a part of skull. It is called cranium. So option 3 is the correct answer. Next question, the sensation of sound persists in human brain for about first option 1 second, second option 2 seconds, third option 0.1 second, fourth option 0.5 second. So the correct answer is 0.1 second. So option 3 is the correct answer. Next question, which among these are responsible for muscle movement? Option 1 motor neuron, second option relay neuron, third option receptors, fourth option autonomic nerve. So the correct answer is option 1 motor neuron. The next question, dash is responsible for producing the myelin sheet, and the myelin sheet is covered by an axon and it gives the grey color to the axon, and it is made up of Schwann cells. So the options are first one axon, second option Schwann cells, third option dendrites, fourth option node of Ranvier. So my Schwann cell is responsible for producing the myelin sheet. The option 2 is the correct answer. Which of the following is the main thinking part of the human brain? First option hindbrain, second option midbrain, third option cerebellum, fourth option forebrain. So the correct answer is option 4, forebrain. Forebrain is the main thinking and reasoning part of a human brain. Next question, which among the following controls reflex related to vision and hearing power in human being? Option 1 cerebrum, option 2 pons, option 3 cerebellum, option 4 corpora quadragemina. So the correct answer is option 4 corpora quadragemina. It is a part of midbrain. So option 4 is the correct answer. Next question, the cranial nerve and the spinal nerve from the part of the first option autonomic nervous system, second option peripheral nervous system, option 3 central nervous system, option 4 sympathetic nervous system. Cranial nerve and spinal nerve are the part of peripheral nervous system, and the cranial nerve consists 12 pair of nerves, and spinal nerve consists 31 pair of nerves. So it is a part of peripheral nervous system. So option 2 is the correct answer. Next question, how many pairs of spinal nerves are found in humans? First option 10, second option 31, third option 37, fourth option 12. So the correct answer is 31. Option 2 is the correct answer. Spinal nerve is the part of peripheral nervous system, And the cranial nervous system consists 12 pair and spinal nervous system consists of 31 pair. Next question. Mucinous corpuscles are mainly associated with which among the following sensations in the human body? First one, pressure. Second option, temperature. Third option, touch. Fourth option, heat. The answer is option 3, touch. Touch is the correct answer. When the temperature of the human body increases, dash sends signal sweat producing skin glands, causing them to release water. First option, hypothalamus. Second option, hypothalamus. Third option, cerebrum. Fourth option, cerebellum. So the correct answer is option 1, hypothalamus. Because hypothalamus is the thermoregulatory center of the human body. So the correct answer is hypothalamus. The next question, the olfactory receptors in human being dictate. First option, smell. Second option, taste. Third option, touch. Fourth option, hear. Olfactory receptors is the part of cranium nerves. So olfactory receptors dictate smell. So option 1 is the correct answer. Which part of the brain is called little brain? Option 1, cerebrum. Option 2, cerebellum. Option 3, thalamus. Option 4, hypothalamus. So the largest part of the brain is cerebrum and second largest part is cerebellum. So it is called little brain of a human being. So cerebellum is the correct answer. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next one, totally memory loss is impressed by option 1, amnesia. Option 2, dyslexia. Option 3, Parkinson's. Option 4, Alzheimer's. The correct answer is amnesia. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next one, the part of brain on which alcohol affects. So alcohol affect first option, cerebrum. Option 2, cerebellum. Option 3, thalamus. Option 4, medulla oblongata. So the correct answer is cerebellum. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next one, the part of brain on which painkillers work. Option 1, thalamus. Option 2, cerebrum. Option 3, cerebellum. Option 4, medulla oblongata. So the painkillers work in thalamus. Option 1 is the correct answer. Who among the following discovered reflex actions? Option 1, Robert Hooke. Second option, Theophrastus. Option 3, Marshall Hall. Fourth option, Stephen Hales. So the correct answer is Marshall Hall. So option 3 is the correct answer. How many pair of nerves are present in peripheral nervous system? In peripheral nervous system consists two things. One is cranial nerves and second one spinal nerves. Cranial nerves are 12 pairs and spinal nerves are 31 pairs. So adding 12 and 31, it's 43. So the correct answer is option 3. 43 is the correct answer. Which of the following is the source of intellectual activity in human? Option 1, cerebrum. Option 2, cerebellum. Option 3, medulla. Option 4, spinal cord. So option 1 is the correct answer, cerebrum. The part of the brain responsible for the maintained balance, like walking in a straight line or riding a bicycle, is called option 1, medulla. Option 2, pons. Option 3, pituitary gland. Option 4, cerebellum. So cerebellum is the primary center for balancing, equilibrium and orientation of body. So cerebellum is the correct answer. Option 4 is the correct answer. Which part of the human brain controls respiration activity? Option 1 hypothalamus, option 2 thalamus, option 3 cerebrum, option 4 medulla oblongata. So medulla oblongata, the part of brain which controls involuntary actions. So it respiration activity controlled by medulla oblongata. So the correct answer is option 4 medulla. Next question, which cell of human body have least regenerative power? Option 1 liver cell, option 2 nerve cell, option 3 blood cell, option 4 kidney cell. So the nerve cell have the least regenerative power. So the correct answer is option 2. Next question, heart rate increases by which of the following? Option 1 peripheral nervous system, option 2 sympathetic nervous system, option 3 parasympathetic nervous system, option 4 cranial nerve. Heart rate increase by sympathetic nervous system. Correct answer is option 2. And parasympathetic nervous system, the heart rate become normal. So the correct answer is sympathetic nervous system. The next question, biological death of any human means death of tissue of which organ? First option kidney, second option heart, third option brain, fourth option lungs. So the brain is the correct answer. Brain, option 3 is the correct answer. Next question, what connects the two hemispheres of the cerebrum? First option P meter, second option dencephalon, third option corpus callosum, fourth option pons. The two hemispheres of cerebrum is connected with corpus callosum. The correct answer is option 3rd. Next question, innermost brain covering is option 1 P meter, option 2 dura mater, third option arcuoid, fourth option none of the above. So the correct answer is pi meter. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next question, which of the following animals does not have a nervous system? Option 1 leech, option 2 tapeworm, option 3 amoeba, option 4 snail. And the amoeba are the microorganism and it has no nervous system. So option 3 is the correct answer. Next question, meningitis affect which organ? Option 1 eye, option 2 brain, option 3 nose, option 4 ear. Meningitis is the covering of brain and spinal cord. So it affect on brain. So option 2 is the correct answer. Which neuron is known as sensory neurons? Option 1 interneuron, option 2 motor neuron, option 3 efferent neuron, option 4 afferent neuron. So is the correct answer is afferent neuron. Option 4 is the correct answer. Next question, EEG done to know the function of first option heart, second option brain, third option kidney, option 4 is liver. EEG means electroencephalogram. It is used to record changes in the electrical potential of the brain. So it done to know the function of brain. So the correct answer is option 2. Next question, name of the part brain functions as endocrine gland. Option 1 hypothalamus, option 2 corpus callosum, option 3 spinal cord, option 4 cerebrum. So the correct answer is hypothalamus. And hypothalamus produced by two hormones, that first one oxytocin, second one vasopressin. So it is the part of brain function as a endocrine gland. So option 1 is the correct answer. Next one, fluid present in and around brain and spinal cord is known as first one saliva, Option 2, water. Option 3, cerebrospinal fluid. Fourth option, synovial fluid. So the correct answer is cerebrospinal fluid is the correct answer. Option 3. Next one, dash are released from synaptic vesicles. First one, neurotransmitter. Second one, synovial fluid. Third option, cerebrospinal fluid. Fourth option, none of the above. The synaptic vesicles are transmitter, neurotransmitters or chemical transmitter. So correct answer is neurotransmitter. Next one, Alzheimer's disease is caused due to deficiency of first option acetylcholine, second option dopamine, third option paracetamol, fourth option aspirin. So Alzheimer's disease is caused by the deficiency of acetylcholine. Acetylcholine is the example for neurotransmitter. Okay, so option 1 is the correct answer. Acetylcholine and dopamine also example for neurotransmitter. Next question, Parkinson's disease is caused due to deficiency of first option dopamine, second option acetylcholine, third option antibiotic, fourth option paracetamol. So the correct answer is option 1, dopamine. Dopamine and acetylcholine are the example for neurotransmitter.